Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body when you eat 4 eggs every single day? Most men haven't, and what you're about to learn may surprise you. Because despite years of warnings, despite the cholesterol fear, despite decades of misinformation, eggs remain one of the most powerful, complete, and misunderstood foods on the planet, especially for men over 50. I'm Dr. Aria Brooks, and with over 12 years of experience helping men optimize their health, I've seen firsthand how the right nutrition can dramatically transform energy, strength, and vitality as we age. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through what eating 4 eggs a day actually does inside your body, and why your energy, metabolism, brain function, eyesight, and even hormone balance can change far more than you might expect. Stay with me, because the final benefits are the ones almost no one ever talks about. Before we begin, take a moment to hit the like button and leave a comment telling me where you're watching from. I enjoy connecting with men who are serious about their health. Let's get started. Before we talk about the benefits, we need to address the biggest concern people still have about eggs. The question I hear most often is, won't eating eggs every day raise my cholesterol? Let me be perfectly clear. The answer is no, and the truth is, it never truly did. That fear came from outdated, flawed research from the 1960s that has since been completely debunked. What decades of modern science now show is this: your liver produces the majority of your cholesterol internally. It doesn't primarily come from the food you eat. When you consume eggs consistently, your body adjusts. Your liver naturally produces less cholesterol. HDL, the so-called good cholesterol, often increases. Lower density lipoprotein particles tend to become larger and less dangerous. Triglyceride levels frequently improve. The crucial point is this: eggs do not create the small, dense LDL particles that are actually linked to heart disease. Instead, they promote a healthier, safer cholesterol profile. And if that already surprises you, we're only just getting started. Now let's talk about protein. Think about most protein foods. Steak, chicken breast, fish fillet, these all come from muscle tissue. Their biological purpose was movement, which makes their protein structure dense, tight, and harder for your body to break down. Now think about an egg. It wasn't designed for movement. It was designed as the ultimate starter kit for life. It contains every single building block required to grow a complex organism from a single cell. That fundamental difference is why egg protein has the highest biological value of any natural food. Biological value answers one simple question: how much of the protein you eat can your body actually absorb and use? Beef protein is about 75 to 80% usable. Fish is around 80 to 85%. Chicken is roughly 79%. Egg protein is a perfect 100%. Every gram is put to work. Nothing is wasted. This efficiency fuels faster muscle repair and recovery, stronger bones, tendons and ligaments, robust hormone and enzyme production, efficient skin repair, and powerful immune function. If you've been feeling tired, weaker than you used to be, or slow to recover from workouts or daily activity, egg protein is one of the most effective nutritional upgrades you can make. Now let's talk about energy. Most people think of eggs as just protein, but that's not the full picture. Eggs are also a unique fuel source. When you eat lean meat, only a small portion of that protein can be used as energy. It's slow and inefficient. Eggs are different because the yolk contains natural fats. Roughly 60 to 65% of an egg can be used directly as fuel. That means fewer energy crashes, more stable energy throughout the day, better focus, and improved blood sugar control. This is why men who replace cereal or toast with eggs in the morning often feel full for 4 to 6 hours instead of just 1. It's also why eggs are so commonly used in effective weight loss diets. Now let's talk about muscle preservation. Inside eggs is a powerful amino acid called leucine. Think of leucine as the master switch that signals your body to begin repairing and building muscle. It doesn't just provide raw material, it sends the signal. Eggs are rich in leucine, more than many common foods. If you walk regularly, do any form of strength training, or you're over 60, the age when muscle mass naturally declines, eating 4 eggs a day can can make a real difference. It provides a consistent signal that helps preserve muscle, speed recovery, maintain strength, protect metabolism, and support long-term mobility. Because the truth is simple. The more muscle you maintain as you age, the longer you stay strong, capable, and independent. Now we move into an area most people never explain properly: brain chemistry. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of choline, vitamin B12, and folate. Together, these nutrients support a critical process in your body called methylation. Think of methylation as your internal maintenance system. It repairs DNA, helps detoxify hormones and chemicals, and supports the production of essential brain chemicals. When methylation slows down, men often experience brain fog, low energy, poor focus, increased inflammation, sluggish liver function, and even fatty liver risk. Up to 40% of adults have genetic variations that make this process less efficient, often without knowing it. Eggs directly support this system by supplying the exact nutrients it needs in their most bioavailable form. That's why so many men report clearer thinking, sharper memory, improved mood, and better liver health when they eat eggs consistently. Your body isn't just eating food, it's receiving targeted biological support. And this is actually a good moment to pause, because nutrition is just one piece of the bigger picture. And before we continue, I want to briefly mention something I've created that ties directly into what we're discussing. It's called the All-in-One Men's Vitality and Intimacy Blueprint, a complete guide designed for men over 50 who want to rebuild energy, confidence, hormone balance, and overall health naturally. Inside, I share the same methods I use in my own practice to improve circulation, metabolism, vitality, and long-term performance, not just through food, but through daily habits, targeted movement, recovery, and lifestyle strategies that work together. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. It's the perfect next step if you want to go beyond individual foods and truly optimize your health. Now let's keep going. Let's talk about vision. Inside the golden yolk of an egg are two powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds concentrate directly in your retina. Think of them as your eye's internal sunglasses. They protect delicate retinal tissue from UV exposure, blue light from screens, and age-related wear and tear. If you use a phone daily, work on a computer, or spend time outdoors, eating eggs regularly is one of the simplest ways to strengthen your visual defenses over time. There's also a bonus. These nutrients improve low-light vision, which is why many men notice sharper night vision when eggs become a daily habit. Eggs also support brain structure. Egg yolks contain phospholipids, specialized fats that form the membranes of brain cells. These fats support memory, learning, focus, mood balance, and mental sharpness. That's why eggs are often included in the diets of students, seniors, and anyone dealing with brain fog. Feed your brain what it's made of, and it performs better. Eggs also contain important vitamins many men overlook. Vitamin K2 helps direct calcium into bones instead of arteries. Retinol, the active form of vitamin A, supports immune function and skin health. Vitamin D plays a role in hormone regulation, bone strength, and mood stability. Eggs are far more nutrient-dense than most people realize. So which eggs should you buy? Caged eggs are the least ideal. Cage-free is better, but still crowded. Pasture-raised eggs are the best option because hens have more space, outdoor access, and a more natural diet, which leads to a healthier nutrient profile. Organic refers to feed quality, not living conditions. Ideally, choose pasture-raised and organic. But if budget is a concern, regular eggs are still far healthier than most packaged breakfast foods. Don't let perfection get in the way of progress. Now that you've got the eggs, what should you eat with them to maximize the benefits? Pair eggs with leafy greens like spinach or arugula. The fats in egg yolks dramatically increase antioxidant absorption. Add onions to support liver detox pathways. Use black pepper to improve carotenoid absorption. Tomatoes support heart and prostate health. Avocado adds fiber and healthy fats. Cook with olive oil or butter for stable heat and better nutrient retention. I've seen this transformation many times. Men come in exhausted, mentally foggy, losing strength, assuming it's just part of aging. One man in his late 60s began eating 4 eggs daily with vegetables. Within weeks, his energy returned, his focus sharpened, and his confidence improved. Simple changes can create powerful results when your body gets what it needs. If eggs fit your budget and your body tolerates them well, eating up to 4 per day is one of the simplest and most affordable ways to support muscle, brain health, hormones, and overall vitality. If this video helped you, hit the like button so it reaches more men who need it. Subscribe for more science science-backed guidance and comment below. Do you already eat eggs daily, and how do you like them prepared? Before we wrap up, I want to share something a lot of my viewers ask me: what natural supplements actually deliver real results for men's health? After looking at the research and testing what really works, I've narrowed it down to 4 essentials: 1 for stronger erections, 1 for stamina and performance, 1 for testosterone balance, and 1 for prostate comfort. These are all natural, science-backed formulas selected to work together for maximum results. I've linked them below in the description and pinned comment. Check them out and see how they can help you feel your absolute best. And remember, this channel is a safe space where men support each other. Share your age and where you're watching from. As men age, this isn't the end, it's a new beginning. I'm Dr. Arya Brooks. Stay strong, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.